Morning 12, grade 2, subject maths, lesson number 1, 2 digit numbers. Lesson number 1, 2 digit numbers. 2 digit numbers means 10 up to 99 is called 2 digit numbers. It is a revision part. The next one, my practice time 1. My practice time 1. Write the place value of the color digits. Write the place value of the color digits. Place value. What is in the place value? What is in the place value? The number in a position is called place value. Number in a position is called place value. Listen here. Given the number 55. We take the place value for 55. We take place value ones, tens. Ones and tens. Listen here, 5 ones and 5 tens having. We want to color digits. Here color digit is 5. 5 in a place ones. 5 in a place ones. So place value of 5 is equal to 5. Place value of 5 is equal to 5. The next one, 72. You want to place value of color digits. The color digit is 2. 72. 72. Write the place value. 1 and tens. 1s and tens. 2 ones and 7 tens. 2 ones and 7 tens. So place value of 2 is 2 ones. Alright? Place value of 2 is equal to 2 ones. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Because 5 ones. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. The next one, place value of 2. 2 into 1's place. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. That means 5 ones. Here 2 ones. 5 ones. Here 2 ones. The next one. Expanded form. You want the expanded form. Number 45. We take the place value of 45. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. You want to expanded form. It is based on place and chart. 5 ones means 5 into 1. 5 ones means 5 into 1. So 5 into 1. Next 4 tens. That means 4 into 10. 5 into 1s and 4 into tens. First one. Tens place 4 into 10. 4 tens, 4 into 10. Plus, the next we go to the ones place. 5 into 1. 1. Then we write 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Plus 5 into 1 is equal to 5. It is called the expanded form. Therefore, it is called the expanded form. You want the expanded form? Expanded form is equal to 40 plus 5. 40 plus 5. Listen here. Write in expanded form. Given the number 45, we take the place value for number 45. Ones and tens. The 5 ones, write 5 into 1s. Then 4 ones, 4 tens expanded form. Expand the 4 tens. 4 into tens. 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1s. 40 plus 5. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. The next, write in standard form. Write in standard form. Just we add two numbers. 50 plus 5. 50 plus 5 is equal to. It is a two-digit number. It is a single-digit number. So you want to add. Just add 50, the first number, plus 5, the second number, ones and tens. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Then bring down the number 5. So the answer is 55. It is called the standard form. Is equal to 55. 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. Next one, before, after and between. Before, after and between. Question number 1. What comes just after the given number? What comes just after the given numbers? The given number is 56. The given number is 56. You want to, what comes after? After means plus 1. 56 plus 1. 56 plus 1 is equal to 57. The after the number 57. The next second one, 78. 78. You want to after. After means plus 1. 78 plus 1 is equal to 79. 78 plus 1 is equal to 79. The next one. What comes just before? Before means front side. 98 before the number. We want to 98 before the number. Before means minus 1, the given number. The given number is 98. Given number is 98. Before means minus 1. 98 minus 1 is equal to 97. 97. The next one, 80. Given the number is 80. You want to before 80 minus 1 is equal to 79. 80 minus 1 is equal to 79. The next one. What comes between two numbers? What comes between two numbers? Listen here. 56 and 58. 56 and 58. You want to between number 56 and 58. 56. The next number is 57. 56. 58. Between the number is 56 plus 1 is equal to 57. Write the number 57. The next one given numbers 19 dash 20. So 19 plus 1 is equal to 21. 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. Between the number is 20. 19, 20, 21. First one 56, 57, 58. Then second one 19, 20, 21. It is called a between number. The next one, my practice time 2. Circle the greater number in each of the following pairs. We have two pairs. First pair is 45, 67. Second pair is 78, 69. First pair is 45, 67. Second pair is 78, 69. You want to circle the greater number. You want to circle the greater number. You want to circle the greater number. Which one is the greater number? 45 or 67? Yes, 67 is the greater number. 67 is the greater number. The next sum 78, 65. You want to circle greater number. Which one is the greatest number? 78 or 69? Yes, 78 is the greater number. The next one, to circle the smaller number. Compare two numbers 43 and 64. You want to smaller number 43 or 64? 43 is the smaller number. 40 is the smaller number. Next one 98, 34. 98, 34. Which one is the smallest? 34 is the smallest of 98. So 34 is the smallest number. Here 43 is the smallest number. Here 34 is the smallest number. We want to circle. The next one, my practice time 3. First one, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means the number right small to big. Small to big. It is called the ascending order. 14, 16, 27, 11. We have 4 numbers here. We compare 4 numbers. Which one is the smallest number? Because ascending order means smallest to biggest. Listen here. 14, 16, 27, 11. First we compare the tens place. These are not 2-digit numbers. So first we compare the tens place. Here tens place 1. Here tens place 1. Here tens place 2. Here tens place 1. So first one and second one, third one. 3 numbers. The tens place is 1, 1, 1. But 27 is largest of all. 14, 16, 11. First we compare the ones place. 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1. We take 1, 1, 1. Now we compare 3 numbers. 14, 16 or 11. We go to the ones place. 4, 4, 6 or 1. Which one is the smallest? 4, 6, 1. The number 1 is the smallest number. We take this term 11. So number 11 is smallest of all. Number 11 is smallest of all. Next we compare 2 numbers. 14 and 16. 4, 6. 4, 6. 4 is the smallest number. So we take 14. 11, 14. The next one 16. Then remaining terms 27. Remaining terms 27. It is the ascending order. Small to big. Now check 11. 14, 16, 27. It is called the ascending order. Next one, arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means big to small. Big to small is called the descending order. Big to small. We compare 4 numbers. First one 78. Second one 48, third one 84, then fourth one 86. Which one is the smallest number? First we compare the tens place. 7, 4, 8, 8. We want to first biggest number, biggest of all. 7, 4, 8, 8. 7, 4, 8, 8. That means 8, 8. It is the biggest of all. So we compare last 2 numbers 84, 86. You want to biggest number. So we go to ones place because here tens place is same. Tens place value 8, 8. So we go to ones place. Here ones place is 4, 6. 4, 6. Which one is the greatest one? 6. So 86 is the biggest of all. The next one 84. Next one 84. Remaining 78 and 48. 78 and 48. 78 is the biggest of all. then remaining 48. Descending order. Descending order means small to big to small. Biggest of all 86, then 84, 78, 48. My practice time 5. Tick the even numbers and cross out the odd numbers. Tick the even numbers and cross out the odd numbers. Tick the even numbers. Even numbers mean you want to tick and then odd numbers means cross out. Tick the even numbers and cross out the odd numbers. Listen here. 1, 32, 13. 1, 32, 13. So we want to first even and odd. What is it by even numbers? Even numbers means the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 combines, that is called the even numbers. The last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 combines, that is called even numbers. The next one, odd numbers. The last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The last digit 1, 3, 5, 7 combines, that is called the odd numbers. Now we tick your numbers and cross out odd numbers. 1 is a odd number, so we want to cross out this number. Cross out the number. Next one, 32. Last digit is 2. So tick the even numbers. 2 is a even numbers. It is a even. The next one, 13. The number 13 is a odd number. Number 13 is a odd number. 1 is odd, 32 is even, and 13, last number 3, that is odd. Thank you to all. With the counting forward and backward. Counting forward and backward. Count forward and write next 3 numbers. Count forward and write next 3 numbers. Count forward and next 3 numbers. You want the next 3 numbers. The given number is 39. Forward means we add. Forward means we add. Given number is 39. The next number is next 3. 39 after 40. Then 40 after 41. Then 41 after the number 42. Next 3 numbers. You want to count forward next 3 numbers. 39 after 40. 41, 42. 40, 41, 42. The next one, count backward and write previous 3 numbers. Previous 3 numbers. Your number is 90. You want to 3 previous number. 1, 2, 3. 90 before 89. The previous number is 89. Then 89 before 88. 88 before 87. It is called the previous 3 numbers. Count backward previous 3 numbers. The given number is 90. You want the previous 3 numbers. Previous means front side. 90 before 89. 89 before 88. 88 before 87. Thank you to all.